guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below, and if you're returning me, thank you so much for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I accomplish my own personal twist outs on my hair. I'm not really sure what curl pattern I really have. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. So yeah, if you want to continue watching how I accomplish my twist out and what are the products that I somewhat use all the time, but sometimes they change, but the products that I use to accomplish the twist out, go ahead and continue watching. All right, to go ahead and get started, I always like to make sure that my hair is fresh, clean, and washed. I feel like the best twist outs, in my personal opinion, for my hair are always better on, like, you know, the first day when it's fresh and clean. Just, you know, a little bit of product in it and everything like that. So I just feel like that is just what works for me, but do what you feel works for you. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started by splitting my hair in half, and then I'm going to pin up the section that I'm not going to be using right away. If you have any clamps or scrunchies or bobby pins or whatever you like to use, you can use those. All of those work. And so then I'm going to split my half section in half. So go ahead and work with smaller sections, just for easier results and maintenance. So yeah, go ahead and split that. And then we're going to go ahead and get started on the smaller section. Alright guys, so getting on to the product, we're just going to make sure that we add our conditioner in first for the LOC method. So first we're going to start off with the conditioner. I'm using TRESemme brand in Touchable Softness. A lot of people tend to use the leave-in conditioner. I didn't have any right away, so it's okay if you just use regular conditioner. It still gets the job done. So we're going to make sure that we add a little bit. I know a lot of people tend to use what they call a quarter size, but to me, a quarter size is not enough for my hair. I like to tend to use like the whole dollar. So we're going to go ahead and make sure that our roots and our ends are covered completely. And also we're going to use the finger detangling method to make sure that our hair stays nice and, you know, tangled free. Sorry, but yeah, we're gonna just make sure that we're getting all of our product in that we're using. And then next we're gonna use some oils. I know a lot of people like to combine their oils. I do too, but this particular oil I got from my sister. I called it hair crack. So we're just gonna make sure that we get that all up on our roots. I like to make sure I get it all over my scalp, and I even put some in my hand, and I rub it all through the hair to make sure everything gets a little bit of it. I love this hair crack. It works really good on my hair. Honestly, like, people should really invest in getting them, you know, a bottle like this of oil, because it really works good. So yeah, after that we're gonna go ahead and add our last method, which is our cream. This is Miss Jessie's Stretch Silkining Cream. We're gonna make sure we get a little bit of that in there. This product, I really love Miss Jessie's. There's a certain one that I have to look it up, but there's a certain one that I really like to use. But for this one, the texture of it to me is really like what's the word am I trying to look for? Like, really like it's not as thick. It's really a loose product. So I feel like if you have like silkier hair than mine, it will work really perfect for you. But it does get the job done that you need. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and lather that all over the hair before we start getting to the twisting. Oh, and yeah, and we're gonna make sure that we brush it out. This is a Demon brush. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, we're going to make sure that we're combing all of our hair out from root to tip. And after that, we're going to go ahead and get to twisting. Oh, yes, girl, you are almost there. Keep twisting, girl. You are almost there. So we're gonna just keep continuing to twist until we're almost done. We have about good 3-4 more twists to go. As you seen earlier in the video, my hands started cramping up. So if you twist your hair on the regular, you know exactly the feeling and you know exactly how much pain this can put you through. But yes, we're on that last twist. We're almost done. I'm just pumping myself up. Like, yes, girl, you got it. Twist, twist, twist. Okay, we're finally done. Yes. Make sure that you get you a silk scarf or bonnet to tie your hair up at night for the best results. I will make sure that I link all of the products that I use in this video down below for you to go get if you need them. And I just want to say thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and do so. I will also link the guy that does the music for my video as well. He's on all social medias if you would like to follow him. And I just want to say thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see all of my mini-me's later. Bye.